In this video I am going to show you how you can register warranty of your VIOFO Dash camera. To register for the warranty, visit Google. In Google type VIOFO. You will need to click on the result VIOFO.com, which is the official website of VIOFO. Once you land on the website, under support click on product registration. So this will take you to the product registration page. So on registering, your warranty will be extended for 6 months. So if you register online, instead of 1 year, you will get additional 6 months of warranty on your dash camera or VIOFO product. So scroll down the page, and for registration you will need to enter your full name, email address, select country, select the product from the list, enter the serial number. The serial number of the product will be mentioned on the back side of the product. If you are registering for dash camera, then the serial number will be mentioned on back side of the dash camera, like this you can see. So enter that serial number, then select your car model number in which you have installed. Car model is an optional field. You can fill it or you can leave it blank. Select the purchase from the list. If you have bought from Amazon, then select Amazon. If you have bought from Wi-Fi, then you select Wi-Fi. If you have bought from local distributor, select local distributor. Select any of the from the list as per you have bought the product. So in my case I have bought from Amazon, so I'll select Amazon, and then you will need to enter the product URL of. If you bought it from Amazon, then you will need to mention the product URL, or from any other e-commerce you have bought, you will need to enter the URL of the product. You can get the product URL from the e-commerce store from you have bought the product. So in my case I have bought from Amazon. I'll visit the Amazon product listing, then I'll copy the URL of this product and paste it in this product listing link URL. Once filling all the details, click on the submit button. The message has been successfully sent to our team. So we have successfully submitted the warranty registration for the VIOFO dash camera or any other product. So this is how you can easily register warranty and get extra warranty extended of VIOFO product.